Congratulations on completing our module on Time Task Challenge. You are now well equipped to go forth in your life with new insights, awareness, and being more productive, much less stressed and more fulfilled. Your Life Pack Planner will help guide your tasks, keep you organized, focused, and inspired. Having a plan and accountability to your time, hours in the day, week, month, and year is the most beneficial aspect of productivity and living a life you truly love. Deciding on what you want, why you want to schedule the actionable items for your achievement is absolutely necessary for living your potential. My most successful clients, many entrepreneurs and professionals, have befriended a scheduling system. It is very important to include buffer times between meetings and tasks. Ever had a meeting scheduled back to back, literally from 1 minute to the next? Ugh. So frustrating. Always buffer your day. Schedule your breaks too. It's important to schedule your downtime. I made it a point to take Wednesdays off. Some take Fridays. The key is to make sure you are taking time for you. If you schedule your non-important, non-urgent time, it frees you to stay focused on the scheduled Life Pack Planner. Being a master of my time is one of the reasons I decided to be an entrepreneur. Consider blocking off whole days for specific tasks. Like an example, Monday can be sales or planning day or outreach. Tuesday, maybe presentations, meetings, or training. Maybe Wednesdays would be your rest and recover day like it is for me. Thursday, production, education, or writing. Maybe Fridays would be coaching or your wrap-up day. Remember to keep these tools at the forefront of your mind so you can avoid your previous time-sucking traps and develop new, efficient habits. And now I'd like to wind up your knowledge the Bolster Up way. I'm so proud of you. And when you're ready, I'll catch you in the next lesson.